Old concrete can be so dirty and dull. I'll show you an easy and affordable way to freshen up your garage. I'm going to clear out the space before I start. Give it a good scrub with a stiff broom. Then, you want to clear your concrete with a high pressure cleaner. Now, we're using Berger Jet Dry Active Clean to prep this concrete. Scrub it in with your broom twice. Leave a 15-minute gap between coats to let it work its magic. Once your concrete's dry, you'll need to use Berger Jet Dry Active Etch so the paint has something to stick to. Scrub it in with your broom and leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse it off. When the concrete's dry, it's time to start painting. We're using Berger Jet Dry Heavy Duty Gloss, which is a hard-wearing paint especially made for driveways and garages. And there you have it, a new look for your garage. Head into your local Mitre 10 to get into it.